What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm from found anything. So you know what I'm going to do. But I'm saying I don't know what I was going to do. But I just wrote a quick cinematic of the video. I can't do it for my because it's not fun, so I'm not going to do cinematics, but yeah, I want to tell you that. I love being a YouTuber. I love going on YouTube, I love watching videos, I love making videos. I subscribe to my cousin's channel. The name's BeastNinja_Gaming. So yes. I'm very good at gymnastics. And
Get up room.
It's my room. Mom, Auntie. So, I wish I was a YouTuber. And I very like gymnastics. I always do cartwheels and things and handstands and always done things good. And I like doing loads of stunts on the trampoline. And at the and I love building things. I love building things with connecting things and things. And I have loads of fun and members. So I'm going to be ending the video here. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of my videos. Peace out.